the question is it possible to restore trust? Well, actually, yes, the Bible does tell us that it is possible. The story of Peter's denial of Jesus, what's recorded in all four Gospels, is a famous story. It's probably the best one. The setting begins at the Last Supper. There, Peter said to Jesus, "Even if everyone else deserts you, I will never desert you." And Jesus replied, "I tell you the truth, Peter. This very night, before the rooster crows next morning, you will deny 3 times that you even know me." "No," Peter said, "even if I have to die with you, I'll never deny you." Well, you who read your Bible know that that actually didn't happen. He did deny 3 times. Now, after the crucifixion and resurrection, Jesus met with Peter and asked him 3 times, "Do you love me?" Peter right away connected the dots. 3 acts of betrayal, 3 questions from Jesus. 3 times Jesus said, "Do you love me?" He didn't ignore Peter's betrayal. He dealt with them. He had good questions, and 3 times he gave Peter the opportunity to restate his love for the Lord. And 3 times Jesus responded by trusting him again. He said, "Well, feed my lambs, feed my sheep. Now go serve me." The questioning was painful for Peter, and he was grieved about it. But that grieving was wholesome, because Peter no longer boasted about being the most trustworthy disciple. His subsequent life bore proof of his change of attitude. His rashness was gone forever, and Jesus and Peter were completely reconciled, and trust was restored. So, folks, you can restore trust.